is this Injeel al-Kitab al-Sharif, the holy book, is there a difference between the other Bibles, like Injeel Yohanna and Injeel Luca, or they are all the same?
This is part of the big confusion that Muslims and Muslim background Christians have when they approach the Bible. This book is the entire Bible. It's called Al-Injeel Al-Sharif. To tell people it's the Holy Injeel or the Bible. But the problem is with the use of the word Injeel. And Muslims are not clear on what they mean about it. And it's hard for Christians to explain because some Muslims think the Injeel means the entire Bible, the Al-Kitab al-Muqaddas, however you say it, that it's the whole Bible. To some Muslims, the Injeel is the New Testament, the Jadid, what is it, the...
العهد الجديد.
Okay, Lahil al-Jadid, to some Muslims. And to some people, especially to Christians, we have Al-Injeel Luca, Al-Injeel Matta, Al-Injeel Yohanna, and Marcus, Al-Injeel Marcus. So we have 4 books written specifically about Jesus that Christians call the Gospels because they are the story of Jesus. But Muslims tend to use that same word for more than one book. And this causes a lot of confusion, and we don't know how to make it more clear to you except to say that this is how the Bible is put together. And when I say the Injeel, I usually mean the New Testament or the Jadid. But I will say specifically Al-Injeel Luca if it's in that book or the Gospel according to Luke. So this particular book, if you want to hold it up, this one is a translation of the whole Bible. And it's called this. It's just as we have a name of a translation may be the New International Version. This translation is called Al-Injeel Al-Sharif. That's the translation. There's another translation that's called in Arabic the Al-Kitab, right?
Al-Kitab al-Muqaddas.
Al-Kitab al-Muqaddas. So that's the translation name of this. It's also a modern translation, but not specifically just for Muslims, where this is for Muslim background people. And then, as I said, we have the Van Dyke. So this is sort of the name of that translation. And this is the name of that translation, not to be confused of the word Injeel. And that's the problem. It doesn't mean only that. But we will find when we talk to Muslims, some of them will say, well, the Injeel, and they don't know what they're talking about, basically, because they don't know how the Bible is put together. And that's why we're having this lesson today. So any Muslims watching or Christians that aren't very knowledgeable about the Bible, so they will understand, oh, so that's how the Bible is put together. That's what the translations are. That's what all of this means.